Did you know that 77% of people are going to travel this year, and 60% of those think travel is too expensive? What if you could travel to the most exotic places in the world with incredible discounts? We understand that travel is the biggest life wish for millions of people. And we believe that providing the right options for everyone to travel more is bringing joy to life. The only way for you to know that is to experience it. Now you can create your memories and make wishes real every day. Introducing Travel Advantage VIP, an exclusive travel platform only accessible through invitation. With Travel Advantage, our members have access to over 2 million properties to fulfill their travel needs. We provide exclusive deals with private discounted pricing. How do we do it? Based on the innovative trend of the monthly membership model, companies like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, or Zoom have changed their respective industries by providing more value for less money. Travel Advantage has partnered with numerous suppliers, allowing the company to obtain hidden deals. This model provides Travel Advantage's negotiated pricing to you. Travel Advantage is creating a new era in travel. Here are some examples of how much you can save on your next reservation. Have you ever been to Dubai? 7 nights, 2 persons on a 4-star hotel. You can save over 55% on your booking. When comparing with well-known websites, the same hotel, same room, same dates, Travel Advantage is clearly saving you money. Perhaps you want to go to Rome. You can save over 40%. Bali? Check the deals with over 60% of savings. You can find more of these deals on Travel Advantage, which has over 2 million destinations. We also provide you access to flights, resorts, car rentals, bundles, transfers, and activities all over the world. But it gets even better. Every time you complete a reservation with Travel Advantage, you earn travel credits that you can redeem to apply as cash on your next booking. You benefit from the Travel Advantage support 24/7 in multiple languages. This unique access to the exclusive platform could help you save thousands of dollars every year and is available for only $19.97 a month with unlimited usage and savings and no commitment. We are disrupting the travel industry with the membership model. It's your time to experience the world. Take your family to getaways you could only wish for. Connect with friends and enjoy unforgettable experiences by making wishes real.